My name is Nurudeen. I am currently learning digital marketing at DMZ Camp. DMZ Camp is a digital platform where you can learn any tech skill. So what I've learned and understood by digital marketing from DMZ is digital marketing is the management process of identifying, anticipating, and satisfying customers' interests profitably through the use of electronic media such as search engines, social media, email marketing, content marketing, and so on. So I have known that with the use of social media, you can easily create awareness and reach larger audience and drive traffic and increase engagement and conversion rate to your store or your product or services you are putting out there. So with the MZCAM, I have come to learn that digital marketing is much more broad than what we used to believe, and it is a way of relating with our customers, knowing their behaviors and interests, and how to deal with it.